The Rotate tool allows you to rotate an object around any origin or pivot point. Simply drag the crosshair to choose your point, then click and drag the object to rotate it. Click while pressing the Alt key for additional rotation options and numerical settings. Use the Reflect tool to flip an object over a horizontal or vertical axis. Click Copy instead of OK to maintain your original object plus its flipped counterpart. Use the Reflect tool to make symmetrical shapes by drawing one side and reflecting a copy. Resize objects with precision using the Scale tool. Double-click the Scale tool in the toolbox to find numerical scaling options and settings for scaling strokes, patterns, and more. This goes way beyond the scaling options available through the Selection tool. The Shear tool slants an object, but dragging with the tool can be tricky. Instead, double-click the Shear tool in the toolbox and skew your object at a specific angle. The shear axis can also be modified so you can skew horizontally or vertically. The set of Liquify tools, which includes Warp, Twirl, and others, are for free-form distortions of objects. Clicking and holding with these tools intensifies the distortion. Though these can't be fully controlled with numerical settings, you can modify some of their options, such as intensity. The Free Transform tool puts scaling, rotating, shearing, and more in a single tool. Scale and rotate with the bounding box handles, or shear and distort by adding modifier keys. The Control key, Command on a Mac, affects only one corner, Shift constrains to a horizontal or vertical axis, and Alt reflects the movements from one corner point onto another.